Hello everyone. In today's session, we are going to learn HTML codes. This is a starting introduction class, and later on we will move each and every concept wise, right? So especially this HTML course has been designed for the beginners. So those people who learn HTML, kindly ignore this course. This is a very beginner point of view. We have been concentrated and giving videos from the beginner level. That means the persons does not have any prior knowledge also, he can able to develop HTML pages, right? So let's start our course. Let's start with a question. What is HTML? So by seeing this question, first we will get one type of question, that is, what is the full form of HTML, right? The full form of HTML is Hypertext Markup Language, right? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It allows the user to create many things like headings, links, block quotes. All those things will come in our course. We will develop all those things, right? So if we want to create a paragraph, straight away we will use p tag, p opening tag and p closing tag, right? And what are the prerequisites? That means to learn this HTML, did I need to know anything? The answer is nothing. If you does not know anything also, you can start writing HTML code. That is the basic prerequisite. And what are the requirements I need? You can run in any environment, like you can run in any kind of operating systems. So by using Notepad also, you can develop HTML code. There are many editors. We will go step by step. And we need only one thing, that is called a browser. So there are many browsers out there like Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Internet Explorer, Opera, Safari, all those things. We can run your HTML code, right? And next we'll see the structure of HTML, right? So technically many people think that HTML is a kind of a programming language, but it is a markup language, right? So we will go and see practically what is the markup language and how we can going to build a simple HTML. See the structure of HTML, right? So straight away I opened the notepad, right? So straight away open the notepad, and after opening the notepad, straight away go and save it. So if you observe carefully, it will contain the default extension as txt, but we need to change this notepad into HTML, right? So I simply give the name as, by using double quotes, I given sample dot HTML, and after that double quotes close, right? Sample dot HTML. Now save it. So now we will see how that particular file will look. So if you observe carefully, it has been changed into the HTML page. Earlier it is in txt format, but now it is changed to the HTML format, right? If you double click it, so it will open in this manner. So observe carefully, what is here appearing? Sample.html, right? Sample.html, like that it will appear, right? So now I will write some code so that you can understand how that code will reflect in the browser. So to write any HTML page, we need to follow one structure. So let us start with the HTML tag. So I already told that this is not a programming language technically, but it is a markup language. So what it will contain? Markup means it will contain a tags. This is the opening tag and this is the closing tag, right? So that means HTML language code will contain a collection of markups, a collection of tags. Each tag has some unique functionality. So we will see some of the important tags. So before going there, let us see how the structure is built. First, we need to start with the tag called HTML. This is the root tag, and after that, we will start with another tag called head tag. This is the opening tag, and this is the closing tag. And after that, body tag. For the body tag, also opening and closing. And finally, I will close the HTML tag. Right. This is the simple structure, right? So first what we need to do means, first I need to give a name for this page. First what I need to do, first I need to give the name for this page. Right, to give the name, I simply start in the head section another tag called title, and I will give the name as my first HTML page. My first HTML page, and after that I will close the title. So now I did not save it. So before saving it, I straight away check the name. I will refresh it and I check the name as it is showing that sample.html. That means it defaultly take the file name and it is showing the file name itself as the page name. Now I have given the name as my first page. Now I save it. Control S. Save it. Now I will refresh it. So did you observe? Earlier it has sample.html, but now my first HTML page. This is the name which I have given in the title, right? And now I want to display some content in this page. To display content like hello world, I need to go to the body section. So in this body section, I straight away write down a word called hello world. So I will again Control S and straight away I will refresh it. Did you observe? Hello world, right? This is a simple class. For consider this is an introduction class, and you need to understand what is the structure of HTML. So structure of HTML is simply it started with root tag HTML. It will have some head section. It will have some body section, right? And finally we'll close the HTML tag, right? Practice this, and tomorrow's class we will start with. Right, thanks for watching and subscribe to this channel so that I can receive all the videos to your account, right? And next session we'll go to the little most interesting concepts in our HTML language.